Everybody, this is a Nerf fight. You are all going to fight with Nerf guns. Now, there are only 3 Nerf guns that you can get. Okay? So one of you will not have a Nerf gun. Ready? And scatter. Go, I said scatter. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm the fastest of them all, so I got here first. Let's see, look around. See, okay, over there. Here it is. Oh, yeah. He can fly. So, let's see. High views. I see something there already. Let's go. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, wait, I see somebody already. No. Oh. When Angel is down for the count, he's gonna have to be dragged away. Start again now. I don't know what to do. Baby cabbage. Ooh. How was that? Oh no. No, you don't. Oh yeah, you're in my sights alright. Aim fire. No. Oh. Okay, he has to be dragged out of here. Let's go. Game starts now. Okay, let's go. I think you're at this. You. Hey, I see something. No! Oh, I'm not down yet. The just missed. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I gotta aim it again. I win, yay! Yes, Yoshi, you do win. And now you get to leave happily knowing that you were never hit by a bullet and you can be happy. Yay, I'm happy now. Do.